What's good everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting project lined up for you C4 Corvette lovers. I'm going to show you step by step on how to replace your interior halo panel on a 1994 C4 Corvette. Now as you know, the interior of a car plays a crucial role in its overall aesthetics and comfort. Over time, wear and tear could take a toll on certain components, including your interior panels. But fear not, because I got you covered. So for me to disconnect the battery, negative first, and then the positive. Fasteners over there, so just loosen that up. There you go. No, there's a weather strip. You can just loosen that. Pull it out, it should come right out. Now I'm going to put the new panels back. To catch it, because it was a little bit tricky here, so you have to like line it up. Now these screws right here. Put the target top back on, and then you can bolt in the seat belts, and that's what I'm gonna do. Now the bolt is back in. Make sure that's tight. Over there, just like that. Now seat belts back. Same thing. Just close the cover without just 2 clips, and you're done. Thanks for tuning in this tutorial. I hope you find this very helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, keep the C4 Corvette alive.